Hello guys, welcome to PixEdu YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn how to use pen tool in Photoshop. This is a very basic tutorial for beginners, but very important because pen tool is one of the most powerful tools. So what is pen tool? Pen tool allows you to create any shape of any size. If you mastered pen tool, then you can easily create your imaginations into reality. So let's start. So first you have to press P on your keyboard, as P is the shortcut for pen tool. Now pen tool will be visible. Now make a point here and another point here. Now you can see a path or a line has been created between these 2 points. So you can create as many line or path you want between 2 points. What if you have to create a straight line or a 0-degree line, or a 90-degree line or a 45-degree line? You have to simply press shift and click from one point to another. Now if you have to make a 90-degree point, you have to click from one point to another while pressing shift. Now if you have to make a 45-degree, same goes for it. Now you can make straight lines or straight path by pressing shift. So this we talked about the straight line or straight paths, or you can say simply paths between 2 points. What if we have to create a curve path? To create a curve path, simply make a point, make another point, but please remember, when you are making another point, hold your left click and drag your mouse and make curve as you want. Like this you can make curve. Like this you can make curves. So now as you can see, when you will make another path, this another path is influenced by the previous path. Now if you, for example, if you try to create a straight line while pressing shift, you can't create a straight line, it's bending. So what we will do, what if we want to create freely another path? So for this we have to just press Alt and cut its tail by pressing on anchor point. Let's see this again. Just press Alt, click on point and cut the tail. Now you can easily create a straight line. You can not only create a straight line, you can also create any type of curve you want. Like I want to create this type of curve. I cut the tail again, this type of curve. Now you can see, if I press Alt and cut the tail by clicking on the point, then I can freely control my another path, not influenced by the previous one. I hope you all got it till now. Now we will do practical by making a human face with pen tool. So simply use rulers to create the shape, as rulers help you to create the shape perfectly. Now click P, as I have told you previous. One point here, one point here. Press Alt and cut the tail by clicking on anchor point. Now again a point here, and simply hold your left click and drag your mouse. Now one anchor point. Now you can see I forgot to press Alt and delete its tail by pressing one point. So the curve created like this. I was not able to freely control it. Now I will press Alt. I will press left click, one point. Now I will create another point. Now I can make the path freely. Now again, see the curves are equal. Now your shape is created But what if you want to make a selection, means you want to fill a color inside the shape? Simply press Ctrl and press enter. Now your selection is there. Make a layer, choose color, and simply fill inside it. And use Ctrl and D to deselect. Now your human face has been created. Now we will make hair. Select pen tool. To make hair, click here. Press Ctrl and click. Press Ctrl and press enter. Make another layer. Choose color you want. Then fill it. Now press Ctrl and D to deselect. Through pen tool you can also make eyebrows. Select. Copy paste the eyebrow. Now I want to tell you one more thing. You can use curvature pen tool to perfectly make your curve. Simply click point, click here point, one point here. Now you have a perfect curve. Like this. Repeat it again. Now you have perfect circle or oval, you can say. Just Ctrl enter. Now your selection has been done. Then fill again. Ctrl D. Copy paste. Now we will make pupil inside the eye. Choose curvature tool. Make perfect curve. Ctrl enter. New layer. Choose the color. Now fill. And Ctrl D to deselect. Simply copy paste the layer. If you want little bigger pupil, you can make it bigger as well. Now make nose. Sorry, nose is not so good. Deselect. Fill it. Now if you want to give it a more detail, pen tool has a very good use also. You can track shape or path through it. In coming tutorials I will tell you how to track another shapes through pen tool. Now you can see we have made a human face. So through pen tool you can easily create your imaginations into reality. You can use pen tool to create any type of shape of any size. So pen tool is a very powerful tool. You can use it to make any type of shape, like it's you have something in your mind, and if you have mastered the pen tool, Go and do the practical or create it. I hope the video was simple to understand the basics of pen tool. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment. Thank you for watching and please motivate us to make more tutorials by subscribing our channel. Take care.